Hi, good evening, konnichiwa. I am Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Today I am going to make a omurice. It's a very local and famous dish from Japan. Today I am going to make a fusion omurice with vegetable pilaf, curry flavor. So let's start. First I will take a half tomato and chop. I take a half Shimla mirch. Same, we will chop it, not fine chop. Use it as a dice. Then half onion. We are preparing a vegetable for rice. Now I take a 2 beans, ingen. Same I do. And then small piece of carrot. Now I take a small piece of ginger. Now I take a 2 piece of cloves. Now we have prepared the vegetables for pilaf. I have a tomato, capsicum, onion, carrot, beans and ginger and garlic. So now we are going to start to make a pilaf first. Okay, from now I'm going to make a pilaf. So first I on the gas and heat the pan. After pan heat, I put some olive oil. After pan become hot, put some ginger and garlic. After ginger and garlic become little bit brown, I add onion, ninjin, capsicum and beans. You no need to cook the vegetable, just a little bit saute to keep it crunchy. After it becomes sauteed, add the tomatoes. I put salt, 1 tablespoon curry powder. I always use curry powder. All the quantity is consistency is very good. If you want to use separately, you can use it, but sometimes the quantity is not fixed and flavor will be changed. After tomato is cooked, I add the rice in there and mix it. You can see this pilaf looks very colorful, yummy and healthy also. If you want to use some chicken, sausages, you can use it. But today I'm going to make a vegetable pilaf. Now you can see our rice is ready. I close the gas. Put the rice in the mold. You can use any kind of, or without mold you can also do it. After make this mold, we keep this on the corner. Now we will prepare for egg. Now we are going to prepare an egg. So first prepare an egg. I take a 2. And then I take a fresh cream. It's optional. 1 tablespoon. And pinch of curry powder and salt. Then beat it. After beat it, keep it on the corner. Now we start to make an omelette. First heat the pan and put some olive oil. You can use the butter also. After pan become heat, mix it. see the shape is coming good. And now turn it. Now omelette is ready. We put the pilaf in the plate. You can see it's look very yummy, healthy, very good. Now it's time to put the egg on there. Now is the time to cut it. This looks very